My name is Rafat GH. Can you tell me who you are or who you are from? What do you do in here?
My name is Ugo Jemirapo, and I'm a Nigerian, and I'm a student in University of Ghana. I see.
So, how long have you been in Ghana?
I just came.
Oh, interesting. And what was your first impression getting to Ghana?
Nothing really special, bro. I just came for my studies.
Uh, but have you tried a Ghana jollof?
I've tried Ghana Jollof.
So, comparing Ghana jollof and Nigeria jollof, we went to, guys. He's now going to finalize everything. Which one is best? Is it Ghana jollof or Nigeria jollof?
Oh, seriously, Nigerian Jollof is better. But Ghana Jollof is nice though. I just see it as spicy food. Nigerian Jollof is just natural. Just this natural thing. I think you should try it. Yeah.
Well, I'll wish to try Nigeria jollof one day. Do you have any social media handles you wanna share out?
You know,
Do you have any social media handles you wanna share out?
like
Maybe you are on TikTok, Facebook, or those kind.
for myself or
Yeah, yeah.
oh really? Nah.
All
I
right,
don't do social media.
all right, all
Nah.
right. I really appreciate you for speaking to me.
Yeah.
Wish to see you again, bro.
Thanks.
All right, bye.